In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Workshop not downloading mods on Windows 10. If your Steam Workshop items are stuck, not starting, or simply refusing to download, don't worry. We're going to walk through a few simple fixes inside Steam that can often solve the problem without needing anything complicated. Make sure Steam is open on your Windows 10 PC, and let's start with the most common cause. First, open Steam and go to the Downloads section. This is the best place to check what Steam is doing in the background. If Workshop content is trying to download, it will usually appear here along with any game updates or other queued items. Once you're in Downloads, check whether your downloads are paused. Sometimes Steam pauses downloads automatically, or they may have been paused earlier and forgotten. If you see a pause status, go ahead and unpause it. This alone can be enough to get Workshop mods moving again. Next, look for any queued Workshop downloads and resume them. If Steam has placed the items in a queue, they may not begin until you manually resume them or until higher priority downloads finish first. Take a moment to review the list and make sure the Workshop items are actively allowed to continue. If nothing changes, the next step is to restart Steam completely. Click Steam in the top left corner, then choose Exit. This closes the app fully and helps reset any temporary syncing or download issues that may be preventing Workshop content from updating correctly. After that, reopen Steam and wait a few minutes for the Workshop items to sync. This part is important because Steam may need a little time to reconnect, verify your subscriptions, and check for missing mod files. Give it a moment before assuming the fix didn't work. If the downloads still aren't working, you can repair the Steam library folder. To do that, click Steam, then go to Settings, and then Storage. This area lets you manage the library locations where your games and Workshop files are stored. In the Storage section, click the three dots next to your library folder. This opens additional options for that Steam library. From there, select Repair Library. Steam will scan the folder and fix common problems related to the library structure or file access, which can sometimes interfere with Workshop downloads. Once the repair is finished, return to Downloads and check whether your mods begin downloading normally. In many cases, one of these steps is enough to restore Workshop syncing and get your content back on track. If this video helped, you can use the same process anytime Steam Workshop stops downloading mods on Windows 10.